What's going on, everybody? I'm Akeem Lawanson, and today I am unboxing Bose's very first 2-in-1 gaming headset, the Bose Quiet Comfort 35-2 gaming headset presented by Bose. And joining me over the power of the internet to help with the unboxing, Nick A30. How's it going, baby?
Yes, sir. Thank you guys so much for having me. I'm doing amazing.
Of course, we had to get someone that streams a lot. And I know you stream a lot, dude.
Yep.
So I got to ask you this. When it comes to gaming headsets, what are you looking for the most when you're choosing the best?
Yeah, there's three super important things to me. Number one is comfort. So if I'm gaming for 1 hour, 2 hours, so I'm gaming all day long for 8 hours, I mean, they got to be comfortable on my head, and these things pass the vibe test. Another thing would be sound quality. Footsteps are crucial in Fortnite, and they deliver, no doubt. I also think that durability is super, super important. So, you know, as a dog owner, I have my dog, Max A30, running around my setup all day, tangling up in these cords. I drop these a lot, and they don't have a single scratch on them. They are incredible.
So sound quality, durability, those are two things that matter the most to me too. So I'm super duper excited to see if the Bose Quiet Comfort 35-2 gaming headset hold up. And the folks at home won't want to go anywhere, because at the very end of this video, we're gonna tell you how you can win a pair of the Bose Quiet Comfort 35-2 gaming headset. Well, you know what, Nick? I think we should get to unboxing. You ready, man?
Yes, let's do it.
All right, let's do this.
That nice, satisfying peel.
Don't you just love that?
I love it. ASMR like. Beauty.
Slip it right on out. Nice, convenient little latch here.
Yeah, super easy to take off as well.
Yeah.
Very premium like.
Let's get this baby out of this other plastic.
Taking it out right now, and it's got that nice Bose logo on the very, very center. I like it a lot. And if you unzip it, you'll see the headphones are nicely tucked away inside there.
Yeah, you can just toss this in your backpack and you're ready to go.
Yeah.
Just looking at these, like, I love the size of them. Like again, like they're they have a low profile look to them.
Yeah, you can tell that they're super light, and once you feel them, Akeem, you're gonna notice that they are, and that's super important when you're gaming for long hours. Like, they don't feel like they're on your head. They don't put any strain on your neck or anything. So I'm wearing these for 8 hours at a time, and I don't even know that I have them on my head right now.
All right, let's take them out of here.
I gotta say, out of all the headphones I've used, I've never had them fold this easy and fold into something that small. Like, they're tucked away and they look small, and then you can extend them, and they could fit any size head. These things are actually huge.
This is perfect for us big-headed folks out there.
Yeah, and what do you think about the weight of them right now? They're nice, aren't they? Very lightweight.
They're super lightweight, and even the cushioning around the ears, like without even putting them on my ears yet, they're super soft.
You can see that they almost get bigger on the inside as well, so they'll fit like any size ear. It just your ear just goes right in and cups it, and it feels very, very secure.
All right, well, let's see. Oh, man.
Wait till you turn on the noise cancellation. They're really, really good.
Dude, I just flipped on the switch. You're right. This is nice. Amazing. This is, dude, I need to calm down, Akeem. Oh my goodness, I hear nothing right now except for my own muffled voice. That's all I can hear.
And wait till we get to the mic as well. We got some things to talk about with the mic when you're ready.
All right, well, oh my goodness, these are amazing. All right, Nick, well, you know, let's check out the microphone, shall we?
I am down for that. It's next up in the box.
I like the look of this mic.
So the beautiful thing about this is you can plug in regularly, you know, using your regular cable, and plug it into your audio interface to your PC and get it started. However, if you want to get that mic in, you literally just replace that slot like so, plug it in, and then you plug in these headphones directly into the interface, and then it's just as simple as that.
Oh, so that's really cool. And you know, and the interesting thing about this, like, I don't have too many gaming headsets that actually even have that option, so this is really cool.
Yeah, and the beautiful thing about it too is, if next up, Akeem, if you look inside, they have an audio interface which can directly adjust the volume by turning the knob. It's like a mixer, but then you also can check a little button. You can press it and it'll turn on mic monitoring.
Let's walk this back a little bit, because I think you're like myself, kind of want to monitor your voice just to make sure that, you know, you're not peaking, you're not too high, you're not too low.
Yeah, you definitely want to make sure, because a lot of headphones, you can't hear anything around you. And of course, with Bose's top of the line noise cancellation, I mean, you literally can't hear anything around you, not even your own voice. So you plug that mic in, you turn on the mic monitoring, and you're able to regulate it and make sure that you're talking at the correct level. You're not overly, yelling. And again, it's as simple, Akeem, as pressing that button.
The Bose Quiet Comfort 35-2 gaming headset features 4 levels of mic monitoring: off, low, medium, and high, letting you prioritize your comfort for personal audio monitoring.
You can adjust the volume in your ear of the gameplay of your mic monitoring just by turning this knob like that. It's so simple.
And again, like the comfort is a big thing with me, especially when you're spending like more than 3 hours gaming and you're recording yourself. Because
Exactly.
Much like myself, Nick, you game not just for fun, you game for a living. So comfort factor is like a huge priority.
And speaking of like that noise cancellation as well, it's got an amazing battery life. And the beautiful thing about it, which I really like, is if you want to plug it in just via auxiliary cable and not use that noise cancellation, you want to keep it off, you never have to charge it. It literally doesn't use the battery if you just plug it in directly in your PC. But if you want to use that noise cancellation and you want to get that top-notch quality sound, I mean, that battery lasts a long time and you're rarely going to be charging it. That's the beautiful thing about this. It's so versatile and you can use it in so many different ways, which I love.
Now, we also have, and I believe this particular cord, this is just to plug into, it's just an aux cord, right?
Exactly. So the beautiful thing about this is if you don't want to use the mic, all you do is unplug that and you can just use this directly into the mix amp or directly in your PC. And I mean, on top of that, I mean, realistically speaking, it's got Bluetooth enabled as well. So you don't even need this wire as well. You just pair it with your phone, you're out that door, you're on a jog. I mean, the Bose Quiet Comfort 35-2 gaming headset is more than just a gaming headset, which I really like.
Yeah, there's whatever this is.
Yeah, so that's to charge the Bose headphones. When you're using Bluetooth, when you're using the noise cancellation, right there. And of course, I mean, we can't forget this thing. The Bose Quiet Comfort 35-2 gaming headset came in this nice premium case. And I mean, it is very, very sleek. Quickly put that away, use it to travel. Fits right on in there, very, very nice and secure.
Absolutely. And of course, you can store all your cables in here as well.
Yeah, and Akeem, it's also worth noting that this is completely compatible with consoles as well.
Yeah, and I think that's it. Yeah, that's everything that's in the box.
I think so. Yeah, we pretty well covered it all.
So one more time for everyone. Nick, what do we got in the box?
Yes, so we have the Bose Quiet Comfort 35-2 gaming headset. We've got the audio interface / mix amp. We've got an auxiliary cable. We have got the detachable mic. And of course, the USB charging cable. And can't forget, actually, the case.
You get a lot in the box, but right out of the box, the Bose Quiet Comfort 35-2 gaming headset is good to go. It's ready to go. All you got to do is just flick the switch here, the premium noise canceling switch, bam. I can't hear a thing. It's designed for wired gaming
and I gotta
wireless
ask you,
gaming.
I
I love the Bluetooth
what do you think
capabilities.
About the headphones?
I can't hear anything but my own voice, and I can barely hear
I
that.
wanted to know what he thought of them, but I think he likes them.
But I don't know what he's saying.
I think he really, really likes them a lot.
Well, anyways, you know what? I don't know what he's saying. Let's just go straight to the outro.
Yeah, I know.
Man, are you all still talking? Now, the Bose Quiet Comfort 35-2 gaming headset is Bose's first step into the gaming space, which is amazing to think. I mean, like right out of the gate, they did a superb job. I mean, I gotta say they have the best in class noise cancellation, outstanding mic quality, 4 different levels of adjustable mic monitoring.
I mean, I think the most important thing for me is they're lightweight, but they still have that premium feel. And as someone with glasses, I'm gaming long hours and I don't even notice that I have them on. Man, you come to my live streams, you watch my YouTube videos, you're gonna see me wearing them for a very, very long time. I absolutely love these headphones.
Your mic is so nice, bro.
Wait, it sounds good?
Yeah.
Nice, dude. I got a new one. It's a Bose. It's like their gaming headset, so thank you. I appreciate that.
Now, Nick and I, we got our pairs, but here's how you can win your own Bose Quiet Comfort 35-2 gaming headset. Just fill out the form at globalstudios.ign.com/Bose giveaway for your chance to treat yourself and your ears to the ultimate headset for gamers. And pro tip, the link to the giveaway is also in the description. Thank you so much, Nick. This was awesome, man.
Thank you guys so much for having me. It was an absolute pleasure.
Yes, we got to have you back to unbox some more stuff soon.
I'd always be down. It'd be my honor. Thank you.
And for more unboxings and all things, everything else, IGN.com.